Hey, you guys can come all the way up here. There's lots of space. You get a better view. We have some very attractive performers today. You're going to want to be right up close.
Don't be afraid to go up and get closer.
So welcome to the first ever Blizzard Has Talent.
Oh, first ever.
I'm super excited. Someone should tell the events team they spelled has wrong, though. Oh gosh. I'm also hoping somebody's wearing a furry bikini today. That would make me very happy. A little homage. Come on up, everybody in the back. There's plenty of space here. The camera's not gonna, you're not gonna get away in the camera. It's fine. So today there's gonna be 8 groups competing for these beautiful trophies here. Everybody gets a $25 gift card, which is very exciting. You guys are going to be voting to see who wins the trophy. So stick around for all 8 performances so you can choose who is the winner and who goes home with only $25. We got 2 special commentators who are going to be out among you today asking you guys what you thought of the performances. That's Kate Gary and Rod Rigoli. Say hey, guys.
Thanks, Ben. We're excited to be here. Contrary to last year when we had judges, we're going to do something a little bit differently. So we're not here to judge you. We're just going to commentate and ask you guys questions.
We're not here to judge, but we will be judgmental.
Yes, we will.
We're going to keep it real around here. Imagine I have a British accent. That's how it's going to be. But it's all in good fun. I can tell you guys we have so much talent going on this stage today. So much. They've been practicing for weeks, or some of them it's a lifelong talent. So let's give it up for all the performers who are going to be out there today. Let's make some noise.
Let's also make some noise for you guys for coming out here. And we want to have everyone have a really good time. So what we have here, we have a little special little package here. We have some beer fairies. We can basically have Christy come up. She's going to be distributing beer to help you celebrate the performance.
Yeah, beer fairies.
Christy, say hello.
Hello, people. Beer here.
That's her job.
She's the beer cupid. But you know what's better than a beer fairy? A more beer fairy. That's why we have Dana right here. She made those wings herself, you guys. So much talent. She'll keep you full of Blizzard cheer.
Okay, being from the legal department, encouraging people to drink beer. So Blizzard Entertainment asks that you drink responsibly. Results may vary. And we have the too much beer fairy who's going to go around and he's going to monitor the beer flow. But he will also be handing out beer.
The puppy?
He made the wings himself as well.
All right, we're going to throw it back to you, Ben.
Hell yeah. All right, we also got to say what's up to DJ Jason B. He's DJing. He'll be DJing after as well. All right, great. So I'm going to bring up our first act. This is Screw Attack. What's up, gentlemen? Just come on right up here. So tell us first what you're going to be doing today.
So we're going to be doing a live performance, a bunch of Blizzard remixes. We actually made it all ourselves for the most part, reusing the compositions from the Blizzard games. So hopefully you guys hear a couple of familiar tracks.
You're gonna be like,
how long you guys been DJing?
This is excitement at the local
I started recently. Queb's been being a master his whole life pretty much, so he's carrying me. His shoulders must hurt.
You're like, oh man.
Hell yeah, all right, you guys ready? Let's hear it, here we go.
Where did Crystal? It's just like my thing.
Good afternoon, Blizzard Entertainment. We are Screw Attack.
Careful what you ask for.
We going wireless.
Crazy! Rigole and Kate. Let's hear some competition.
Thank you, Ben. That was amazing. I'm not used to hearing music that good that early in the evening when I'm this sober. But that was, let's give them another round of applause. That was something else. It was very high tech too. For some reason, I want to buy an iPad now. I don't know. He was like showing it off. It was crazy. I wonder if he's here from Apple or something. That was good. Hey, Rod, you got some audience reaction?
I do. What did you think of that last performance?
I'm in high school again. I'm at a rave. All that's missing is ecstasy and glow sticks.
Nice. Your eyes look a little dilated, though, don't they?
Ecstasy means very happy children.
Yes. Very, very happy. It's a family show.
Drug affiliation. Take that out.
All right, Rod. Rod's going to get ready for an act we're going to show you. But in the meantime, Blizzard has so much talent, we couldn't fit it all on this stage. And some of you might already know this, but Ben Brode, our MC, is super talented. Isn't that right, Ben? Come on up there.
That's right. So they asked me to do a little of my talent for everybody. My biggest talent is dunking on John Dumont and Pete Cooper. There's no basketball hoop, so I'm gonna beatbox a little bit instead. All right. Very much. Oh my God.
Great job!
Hey, are we ready for the next contestants?
We are ready. So you're probably wondering what this ramp is doing out here next to the org. Well, not everybody who's performing today actually got the opportunity to try out. So we have someone here who's actually going to do his little performance.
By herself.
So what are you going to do today?
Hello, Rod. So my skill is.
He's got to take the helmet off.
My skill is jumping blizzard people.
Jumping blizzard people. How long have you practiced this stunt?
I've been practicing my whole life, Rod. It's my destiny.
Destiny. Has anyone ever been hurt